Hey you guys. Okay, so guess what? I'm coming at you with a little bit of weird lighting because there is a light bulb in this room where I always film that I need to replace, and I just keep forgetting to get the light bulb with everything mostly being shut down. Still for probably, I don't know, things are starting to open up now, but yeah, these past couple weeks, they didn't have it at my store that was right up the street, which they did the last time I needed one because these bulbs last a really long time. I thought I had an extra one here, but either I can't find that one or I don't have it or it doesn't work because, yeah, the extra one I tried didn't work and I thought I had one more. Anyway, I'm rambling. So yeah, this is going to be some weird lighting. Also, this video is brought to you today by Thotty. This is a dress I got from rllegacybuilding. It's Waif brand, W-A-Y-F. Where are you from is what that stands for. And yeah, it's actually a maxi dress that shows leg, and I like the lacy detail, so I'm just going to be a thot today. I went out and it's hot, and so I went and looked at some houses with a friend, and then we had like a quick meal, a quick dinner, just some pizza, but we went by the riverside. We always do that, and it was nice just to have a breezy dress, and as you can see, I let the breeze in, so, really I just like this neckline and felt like showing it off. My makeup it's a combo, so the lighter color around the brow bone is from the Golden Opulence palette by Pat McGrath, and this rosy, actually it's kind of an orangey red that matches the dress. That color is from ABM, my mini Norvina palette. So, really, I came on here to do a reverse review of the lip, actually, and, I think I'm gonna have to take a still shot of this against the white wall, so maybe it won't be a reverse review. Basically, I am an affiliate for another lip wear, I don't know what the word for it is, lip product brand. They do lip colors, and they are becoming well known for their glitter lip that they do. They have glitter lip kits, and this one is called Baby, I think, and it's kind of like a nude pink, a light soft pink that looks actually pretty neutral even though it's a glitter lip. So I've had this on all day, and I just hopped on here to show you what it looks like after a full day of wear. The application is quite interesting. So actually you're like applying a glue, kind of like a glue base. I know that sounds unappealing, but they give you a container that's like a little, like a lip gloss type container with a brush on the stick, and you apply it, and it's an adhesive really, and you let it turn clear. It reminds me of eyelash glue actually. But you let it turn clear, and you hold your lips apart. So whether you're just like standing there like that, or I don't know, how did I do it? Like that. You hold your lips apart, otherwise they'll be sticky against each other. So you let the adhesive, turn clear, and then you have an applicator, and the glitter color. And the glitter actually reminds me of mica, but it reminds me of mica the way it's packaged. Mica powder, like the color they add to eyeshadows and blushes and things. A natural color, coloring agent. I think it's made from minerals or rocks or something like that. Anyway, I don't know that this is mica, but it also kind of reminds me of dipping powder, because it looks lighter when it's dry, and then when you add like the activator to it, or the even just like the adhesive glue, you get the true darker, deeper color. So that's how it is. You apply, I make this sound really chemically. It's not as chemically as it sounds, but you definitely do smell the you know, the adhesive that you apply a coat of. So once the adhesive's on and turns clear, you dip the applicator into the glitter shade of your choice, and I just touched it to my lip, applied it like that. There's a brush at one end and like a sponge tip at the other. I use a sponge tip. I was in a hurry and I had begun with the brush, but I reasoned that the sponge tip would be faster because it picks up the color and you just touch it to your lip and it sticks to, you know, all over the surface of your lip until you're done covering it. And I think next time I'm probably going to use the brush to just smooth it over or something. Like maybe too much glitter will accumulate on one area. You can kind of smooth it around. I don't know. I'm still experimenting with it, but this is what I look like in this dim lighting at the end of the day. I'm going to take some still photos of it against a white wall in regular lighting for you to see, because I know that I am really on one right now with this dark room. So other than that, I think I want to keep this short and just make it the review. So I will come back at you. I might do a chit chat. I kind of feel chit chat-ish. Maybe it's the Thot dress. Sorry, the Thot dress. Who knows? But I'm gonna do the chit chat, and yeah, I'll probably do one. But I will see you in the next video, whatever that is. I've also got one that I've not wanted to share, but I'll share it. So it's kind of a more thorough review of the Pat McGrath eye palettes I got. But the skin on my nose sometimes flakes, and it's even flaking today. And so it's flaking on like the corner in that video, so I didn't want to upload it. But I'm going to upload it because it's very minuscule, and I'll just put a warning that like it's dry skin on my nose and not like me needing to like clean and wipe my nose or anything like that. So I'll get that uploaded for you, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, be well, see you soon, stay clean, stay safe, stay organized. Bye now.